Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about the infinitive, or when you use to plus a simple action. Example, to eat, to cook. So almost always use to plus a simple action, not a gerund, no to cooking or to eating. To eat, to cook. So examples with to. I'm hungry. I want to eat. We have two actions. Want, eat. Connector to in the middle. I want to eat. Or I want to eat. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Want, sleep. Two actions, to in the middle. I want to sleep. Let's practice. I'm hungry. I want to eat. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat?
Yes, I'm hungry. I want to eat.
Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Respond. Very good. And I'm tired. I want to sleep. Are you tired? Do you want to sleep?
Yes, I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Are you tired? Do you want to sleep? Respond. Very good. More examples with need for necessity. I need to go to work. Why do I need to go to work? Because I need to pay the bills. Let's practice. I need to go to work because I need to pay the bills. Do you need to go to work?
Yes, I need to go to work.
Why do you need to go to work?
I need to go to work because I need to pay the bills.
Very good. Do you need to go to work? Respond. Why do you need to go to work? Respond. Very good. More examples with to. Obligation, I have to. I have to wash the dishes and I have to clean my house every day. See, two actions, connector to. I have to clean. After to, use a simple form of the action. I have to wash the dishes and I have to clean the house every day. I have to wash the dishes every day. Do you have to wash the dishes every day?
Yes, I have to wash the dishes every day too.
Do you have to wash the dishes every day? Respond. Very good. And I have to clean the house every day. Do you have to clean the house every day?
Yes, I have to clean my house every day.
Very good. Do you have to clean the house every day? Respond. Very good. Examples with negative. I don't want to wash the dishes. I have to wash the dishes, but I don't want to wash the dishes. I want another person to wash the dishes. I want somebody to wash the dishes. My children. I want my children to wash the dishes. You see action want, one action. Wash, second action. Two actions. I need my connector with the second action. I want my children to wash the dishes. Good idea. Let's practice. I don't want to wash the dishes. Do you want to wash the dishes?
No, I don't want to wash the dishes.
Do you want to wash the dishes? Respond. We need somebody to wash the dishes. The children. Do you want the children to wash the dishes?
Yes, I want the children to wash the dishes.
Who do you want to wash the dishes? Do you want the children to wash the dishes? Respond. Very good. We see more examples with to. To and a simple action, to cut. We have two actions. Need. I need a knife to cut the steak. No for cut. Cut is an action, always to cut. I need a knife to cut the steak. Let's practice. Do you need a knife to cut the steak?
Yes, I need a knife to cut the steak.
Very good. Do you need a knife to cut the steak? Respond. Very good. More examples. Do you need a spoon to eat the soup?
Yes, I need a spoon to eat the soup.
Very good. Do you need a spoon to eat the soup? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. I need a fork to eat the salad. Do you need a fork to eat the salad?
Yes, I need a fork to eat the salad.
Very good. Do you need a fork to eat the salad? Respond. Very good. More examples where we use to plus a simple action. Two actions. When you say it's necessary, it is. Is an action. Together, it's. It's necessary. Action 1, action 2. Connector 2. It's necessary to study. It's important. It is. It's. Action 1. It's important to practice your English. Remember connector 2 for your second action. Always when we use it's, the second action needs to. Examples, it's important to practice your English, and it's necessary to study. Let's practice. Is it important to practice your English?
Yes, it's important to practice my English.
Is it important to practice your English? Respond. Very good. Is it necessary to study every day?
Yes, it's necessary to study every day.
Is it necessary to study every day? Respond. Very good. More examples where we have two actions and we use our connector to. Two actions, use to. I try to exercise every day. It's not easy, but I try to exercise. And prefer. Prefer to exercise. Remember the connector to. I prefer to exercise at home in my pajamas. Let's practice. I try to exercise every day. Do you try to exercise every day?
Yes, I try to exercise every day.
Do you try to exercise every day? Respond. Very good. And I prefer to exercise at home in my pajamas. Do you prefer to exercise at home in your pajamas?
Yes, I prefer to exercise at home in my pajamas.
Very good. Do you prefer to exercise at home in your pajamas? Respond. Where do you prefer to exercise? Respond. Now we look at the negative. If we want to make a negative idea with to, we say not to. I try not to eat junk food. I try. It's not easy, but I try not to eat junk food. I try not to eat donuts. I try not to eat French fries. Prefer. Positive, I prefer to eat healthy food. I prefer to eat fish and vegetables. Negative, I prefer not to drink soda. Remember, negative, not to. Two actions, negative, not to. I prefer not to drink soda. Let's practice. Do you try not to eat junk food?
Yes, I try not to eat junk food.
Do you try not to eat junk food? Respond. Very good. Do you try not to eat donuts every day?
Yes, I try not to eat donuts every day.
Do you try not to eat donuts every day? Respond. Very good. Prefer. I prefer to eat healthy food. Do you prefer to eat healthy food?
Yes, I prefer to eat healthy food.
Do you prefer to eat healthy food? Respond. Very good. I prefer to eat fish and vegetables. What do you prefer to eat?
I prefer to eat fish too.
Very good. What do you prefer to eat? Respond. Very good. Prefer not to. I prefer not to drink soda. Do you prefer not to drink soda?
Yes, I prefer not to drink soda.
Do you prefer not to drink soda? Respond. Very good. So, more examples when you use to. I like to eat pizza. Like is in general. Similar to prefer, I like. I like to eat pizza. It's in general. It's not right now. Sometimes. On the weekend. I like to eat pizza. And would like is similar to want. In the moment, right now, I want to eat pizza. I would like to eat pizza. Very different. I would like to eat pizza. I would like to order a pizza right now. Let's practice. Do you like to eat pizza on the weekend?
Yes, I like to eat pizza on the weekend.
When do you like to eat pizza? Respond. Very good. And right now, in this moment, would you like to order a pizza?
Yes, I would like to order a pizza right now.
Would you like to order a pizza right now? Respond. Very good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch another one, and watch another one, and tell your friend. The more you practice, the more you watch and speak, the better you will speak.